Hey friends, today we are in Holiday Village. This is lot 65. This is a single wide, but this is a nice little place. They've kept good care of it. Walk up here, you have a super long carport here. Nice handicap ramp. He said it can be removed if it's not needed. But I can tell they put a little money into that thing. It's a nice one. Get in here. And actually you have a really big storage shed in here. Hot water heater. There's plenty of room in here. Walk around back just so you can see the backyard. Go back inside. All right, when we walk in, got your washer and dryer here. These do stay. Walk into the kitchen. Appliances are white. They all stay. There's your little dining area. We're going to go back here to the ensuite bedroom. As you can see, closet space. Here is your ensuite bath, the walk-in shower. Over on this side, you have storage. Head on back to the other side. Here you have your living room. Does have new floors. They're pretty nice. Have a couple little closets here for already locked up. Well, that one's locked. Extra storage. And you have your second bathroom. This one does have a full tub. Second bedroom. Decent sized closet. And we're going to go out here and we're going to take a walk out onto the Florida room. This is a pretty nice Florida room. Pretty big, spacious. Definitely a nice little sitting area. So yeah, if you're interested in this place, it is in Holiday Village in Ormond Beach. Nice little park. Lot rent is still under $1,000 and it includes pretty much everything but your electric. So this one is a winner.